The scoop. He's holding up.
Oh! A sit-down scoop slam. Picture perfect by La Mexicanos. Remember Pinche Madre Miguel?
That was pretty good.
Talking to me? No. Oh, he's got the full.
Pinche Madre Miguel. Pinche ass.
Way to go, Spanky.
Very dominating this match here.
And the monkey still getting his ass whipped.
You know the fisherman complex coming up here?
We're setting up. Up.
Oh!
Crowd is yelling for the monkey to get up. They want to see the monkey get up. Oh, but he just got the finish. Oh! That's right to the cabeza.
What a shot in the head. Too heavy to miss shots.
They don't like it, you're fine. Oh, it's like it.
Come on, let it down.
Does that have enough energy to make him pin? He's rolling the wrong way.
You're going the wrong way.
That's the monkey. Pinche Madre has got to get mode. Near fall by head of the Head forward. Slow it down. Neck breaker. I don't know. That is all the title here at RWA. That's the way he is.
The serious is on the career. Other than that, I was not
What do you think about the match coming up tonight?
Head's going up. Everybody's trying these posts.
yeah, everybody's standing up. Oh, this is a flying one bus.
He's not moving.
Pinche Madre, he's moving.
No,
No, not this big man.
no.
Pinche, you're gonna break that thing. What are you thinking?
It's going up.
Is he going for the he's going, is he, a springboard elbow.
For your own safety.
Oh, just for your information, you gotta go fucking Miguel to spring himself off the mat. Hold on, Steve. Chump up quickly, I gotta go for my ring.
Lucky, you better get the hell up out of here.
Why?
Pinche, he's tough.
I don't know if I had to pick between these two. Suck.
Are you a little bit biased there, sir? We don't have enough for all the winner does. Phase 2 of 20, right?
Like, that'll even really be a match. You're like, look, 9-10, no 10. It's like a little 5-1. Come on now.
That's really impressive there.
Oh, by the way, I finally got some gold after I was the number 1 contender for the EWF title.
You got me right. What the hell is he doing about it?
It's my only claim to fame. Pinche Madre.
And a big swing DDT by Pinche on the monkey.
That may have been enough to give Pinche the advantage.
Yep. What's Pinche's finisher? Finisher. Anybody know?
Oh, sorry, it's the Pinche Madre.
And what is that?
Like Pinche is going for some, what is it, chairs? I've lived in this country. I can't stop thinking about
Everyone's trying to know who you are.
the monkey fighting that? Is that going for a power dog? That's a body drop. That's it. Stop it.
Hold on. Yeah, no.
I'm just saying,
There we go.
Apparently that was called the fucking That's going to town with the kendo stick.
right to the head. That's on his side.
This is it. No,
Head is setting up. Yep. Come on, turn him over. And it's Spank the Monkey. It's Spank the Monkey. Come on, Pinche on there. Oh, he can. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. And the monkey is the number one contender for the... El Hornito, United States champion. Pinche Madre's tag partner.
it's El
It's
Hornito.
victory. Oh,
Oh,
he's
there we go. This is gonna break through. This is gonna be
Oh, head down. Oh, he's got... Dude, he's got an American flag in his hand. Is that a flag?
Oh, no, you got it.
You know, freedom was on the line. Freedom was on the line.
Someone stop this. Get from the bed. Someone.
What the hell? Who's trying to help him?
Get this guy the hell out of here.
What the hell is going on around here? Is that what I'm thinking?
I don't know.
We got someone out there. Oh my God! Little man, Bobby Stolman. We haven't seen this in a long time.
I don't know what to say. They're running.
After like 6 months out of RWA,
Who's this guy in the Yankees hat?
I have no idea. Never seen him before.
Well, this is one of the Yankees hat.
Oh, they have just decimated everybody out here. Oh, is he setting up? I have best friends without you. Come on. like it or not?